In continuation to our series of VBA programming, next we'll learn how to reduce efforts while writing VBA code when we are dealing with the same object in each line with the help of with statement. The with statement allows us to perform a series of statements on a specified object without requalifying the name of it. So, let us see how we can do this in VBA. I have created a blank workbook named with statement, and we'll create our macro in this file. We'll click on Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. In case you cannot see Developer tab in Excel, then you need to go to File menu, click on Options, click on Customize ribbon, and on the right hand side, check the checkbox besides Developer and click OK button. We can also press keyboard shortcut Alt F11 to bring on the Visual Basic for Applications Editor. Now we'll create a module here and write all our code in that module. So we'll click on Insert and click on Module. And you can see that Module 1 is created under Modules folder in our project. First, let us change the name of our module from Module 1 to with_statement. So you can see that the name of the module is now changed to with statement. In case you cannot see this properties window, you can bring that from View and Properties window. Alternatively, we can also hit keyboard shortcut F4. So when we double click on the with statement module, the module editor opens on the right hand side, and this is the place where we are going to write our code. Now whatever we write will have to be written in a function, and the function starts with sub and name of the function. So in our case, we'll write sub with underscore statement, open and close parenthesis, and the function ends with end sub. So now we have a function here, and whatever code we'll write will be written in this function. Let's take an example to understand with statement in depth. Let's say we want to change font color, size, and font name of cell range from A1 till A10. For doing all these three things, we'll need to access three different properties of VBA font. So let us first write it without with statement, and then we'll see how we can achieve the same with the help of with statement and reduce code. To start with, let us write some data in the sheet to enable us to perform the change of font action on the same. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes cell address where we want to write, let's say A1:A10 dot value equal to into double quotes sample1. We have already seen in earlier video how to refer cells with VBA. If you haven't seen this video, then I have provided the link of the same in the description box below and the I button above. In this video, I have explained referencing cells with 4 different methods, and referencing with range is one of it, which we have used here. So this line will write text sample1 in all the cells from A1 till A10. Now let us write the code to change color, size, and font name of the range from A1 till A10. We'll write range into bracket into double quotes A1:A10 dot font dot color equal to VB red. Next is size. So we'll write range into bracket into double quotes A1:A10 dot font dot size equal to say 20. And finally font name. So it goes like range into bracket into double quotes A1:A10 dot font dot name equal to into double quotes Arial. So this is it. Now let us run our code and see what happens. We'll run the code in debugging mode so that we can see what happens line by line. To run the code in debugging mode, we'll need to go to debug menu and click on step into. Alternatively, we can also use keyboard shortcut F8. So we have text sample1 in cells from A1 till A10. Let's hit F8 again, and now we can see that the font color is changed to red. Now the size of the font is increased to 20, and finally the font is changed to Arial. We have already seen in earlier video how to play with fonts in VBA. If you haven't seen this video, then I have provided the link of the same in the description box below and the I button above. So what we have achieved here is with conventional method. Now we'll see how we can achieve the same thing with the help of with statement. If we observe in these three statements, then we can see that all three statements are referring to same object, that is range A1 till A10, and all three statements are calling the same property of the object, that is font. So what we can do is, with the help of with statement, we'll refer to this object and its property only once. So we'll write with range into bracket into double quotes, and let us refer to column B this time. So we'll write B1 colon B10 dot font. So we have started our with statement, and the closure of the with statement have to be done with and with. And now we can access all the properties of the font related to our range specified in the with statement within this block. So to change the font color, we'll write dot color equal to VB red. To change the font size, we'll write dot size equal to 20. And to change the font name, we'll write dot name equal to into double quotes Arial. Now, before we run this code, we'll need some text in column B to perform the written operations. So let us copy the code from above and paste it just above the with statement and change the column from A to B and text to sample 2. So that's it. Let's run our code and see what happens. So we have text sample 2 in cells from B1 till B10, color changed to red, size increased to 20, font name changed to Arial. So this is working perfectly fine. So with the help of with statement, we have avoided the repetition of object and its property. But if we notice, we still have our range called twice. This is because our with statement is referring to font property, whereas previous statement is referring to value property. If we want, we can still reduce the code further with the help of nested with statement. Let us see how. We'll now use column C. We'll write with range into bracket into double quotes C1 colon C10 and close this with and with. In this block, we'll write dot value equal to into double quotes sample 3. Now we want to work with font property. So we'll again use with statement here. Within the with statement, we'll write with dot font and close this with and with. And inside this child with statement, we'll write dot color equal to VB red. To change font size, we'll write dot size equal to 20, and to change font name, we'll write dot name equal to into double quotes Arial. So that's it. Let's run our code and see what happens. So we have text sample 3 in cells from C1 till C10, color changed to red, size increased to 20, and font name changed to Arial. So this is working perfectly fine. So you can clearly see the reduction in code. With the help of less code, we have achieved what we wanted. So I hope you understood when and how to use with statement and nested with statement in VBA. So that's all for this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.